Welcome. Today we will install the Versheer together. We will explain each step with video, subtitles, and voice, so please follow along to install your Versheer curtain easily. First, take out and prepare all parts. The fabric and the rail needed for installation. For the first step, we will install the Versheer rail. Secure the bracket firmly with screws. Next, twist the button bracket onto the end of the L bracket. Bracket installation differs depending on whether a connecting bar is used. Please carefully consult the table below. Secure the brackets at intervals shorter than the length of the rail to be installed. Use the rail connector to join the rails. Use a 3mm hex wrench to firmly secure the back as well. Place the headrail connector cover over the connection point. Fix both ends of the rail using double-side clips, with the short side of the clip pointing toward the front of the rail. Fold the single side clip, then insert with the short side facing the front of the rail. Push the rail up at the center of each bracket until it clicks. Start by pressing up the center of the rail until it clicks, then move it sideways to snap it into the next bracket in the same manner. The next step is installing the Versheer fabric. First, check that the rail moves smoothly. If you feel the operation is stiff, spray grease on the inside of the rail. Prepare the Versheer fabric. Hang the fabric on the prepared ladder. Be careful not to wrinkle or tear the fabric. To increase the blackout rate of both ends of the fabric, hang one vertical piece inside the double-sided clip. Hook one side of the Versheer main fabric onto the outside of the double-side clip and hook the other side on the next clip. On the same clip, hang one edge of the next Versheer fabric. Carefully align each overlapping piece of fabric in a straight line, then secure them with the clips. Arrange the remaining fabrics in the same way and press them firmly into the clips to secure. If the clip connection doesn't fit easily, tilt it slightly backward to connect without using too much force. Next, use tag gun to secure the side fabrics at both ends so they do not separate. The tag pin size is 1 centimeter. Finally, check that everything works properly. This concludes the Versheer installation video. Thank you.